Hello folks, this is Gabe at Security Baron, and today we're unboxing the Link Interactive Home Security System. So let's dive in. If you'd like to see a list of our favorite security systems, Google Security Baron Best Home Security Systems. If you have a question about today's unboxing, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. All right, so let's jump into this unboxing of the Link Interactive Home Security System. Now, if you'll note, it comes in a pretty nondescript box. We just have our address on the top, and otherwise it's just cardboard. Oh, like a placard that looks kind of like a fake license plate. This part says home automation and security sensors. This part says home automation and cameras. In the middle, we have our hub, camera, doorbell. Woo, big old quick set smart lock, and a host of sensors. Let's get this out of the way. All right, so now I want to clean this up a little bit and get a look at what pieces I've got with my Link Interactive system. Now, I've got some door contacts. These actually look like versions that I've seen before with other home security systems. Got my hub, which also looks very familiar to me in terms of the way it's laid out. I have another piece to my hub in case you want to mount it separately in a different way. My electronic deadbolt, alarm.com Wi-Fi doorbell with a camera, indoor security camera, and my literature. So here we are with the Link Interactive Hub. Some may say it's the most important part of any system. We have a speaker, a couple of actual buttons here, a home and a plus sign, our touch screen, and the Link Interactive logo at the bottom. Now I will note that the Link Interactive logo looks a lot like the alarm.com logo, which we're getting for a lot of the products in this system. They've outsourced it to alarm.com. So I'm anxious to look at those products next. Let's look at our Wi-Fi indoor camera. Boom, let's go to the alarm.com camera. Let's check it out. So this camera comes with an aesthetic similar to many that we've seen before. We've got the white on the black, though there does seem to be some pretty significant rotation and articulation capacity for this camera. So you can go like this, you can move it this way. On the bottom, I see a rubber mat, which is useful. On the back, I've got, looks to be an Ethernet cable and a power adapter. And we got this glossy perimeter. And you got mat surrounding the lens. So this mat surrounding the lens, and most of it is actually pretty flush. There's nothing protruding, which I like. So if you look at the profile, you'll note that I can actually put my finger all the way across it. No issues. Looks like that's the slot for possibly an SD card. So maybe that denotes some local storage on this camera. This is pretty classic indoor security camera. The box tells us that it's 1080p, so I'm looking forward to seeing what that looks like. Hold on, let's take a break. Every month here at Security Baron, we like to give a subscriber and commenter a chance to win a $200 Amazon gift card. So we're giving these away monthly, and all you have to do is subscribe to our page and leave a comment on a video like the one you're watching right now, and you'll be entered to win a $200 Amazon gift card. Now back to your regularly scheduled programming. All right, here's our video doorbell. It says I have Wi-Fi video doorbell, SkyBell HD edition. So I like HD, I like having high definition video. Color night vision, two-way audio, motion sensor, records video. That is useful. Here we go. It's very snug. All right. Ooh. There's not a lot to that. We've seen a few SkyBells, and this seems to be pretty straightforward in terms of a doorbell camera. Yeah, this is the SkyBell, and I'm anxious to see how well it works. So next, we've got the Quickset Smart Code Touchpad Electronic Deadbolt. Try saying that 3 times fast. Wow. This is a heavy box. I'm not gonna say any different. This is heavy. There's a lot going on in here. Here we go. Here we go. Got our deadbolt here and a few other elements. I do love bubble wrap. Okay, so that has 2 on each one, so we've only got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numeric buttons. For this keypad with the lock button in the middle, you always want to have a physical backup to your digital system. So here we are with our keys, you know, in case you have someone in your family who doesn't really like to use technology. We all have one, no judgment here. All right, other part of our lock, these 2 pieces will connect, hopefully quickly for you. Hopefully it's not a long installation process. And the actual deadbolt itself. So all these pieces together make for a smart lock, and I'm anxious to see how it all works together. Now, motion sensors you're going to want to place in the frames of your windows and your doors with the small piece on the part of the window or door that moves. So the actual window or the actual door. So this is the part that you'll place in your frame. You know, these are always essentially the same exact device, a larger white piece to kind of blend in, and a smaller piece. Usually you'll use 3M, as I see here, use 3M, and you'll attach it to your frame. And this is the same thing here, but I'll probably put one on my door and one on my window during my setup process. So let's just go to my favorite part and the last thing, and that's your yard sign. Don't forget, your yard sign is an effective deterrent. People will see, hey, this person's protected by Link Interactive, and they might say, hey, you know what? I might want to get one too, to protect what they have. So your potential intruders will always see the Link Interactive and think, okay, this is a house that maybe I don't want to mess with because they have a team of professionals at their disposal. So now you see all the components that we received with our Link Interactive home security system, and I'm looking forward to setting it up and see how well this whole system works. If you appreciated today's video, give us a like, hit that subscribe button. As always, this is Gabe at Security Baron. Be secure.